Hi, I'm Mike.
Hi, and I'm Michael.
My role here is receptionist.
And my role is also being a lovely receptionist.
The dynamic tag team of Mike and Michael have been with the Goodwill team for only a couple of months. They both gained meaningful employment at the Goodwill head office through the Career Connections program.
I really wanted to work with Goodwill because I really thought it was a really great organization. I heard really good things about it, and I just wanted to see it for myself.
I like to work with Goodwill because they're all about the people, and I like to help people, and it makes me feel good at the end of the day. The challenges make me better at getting more skillful at working, and not to mention outside of work. It allows me to be more dexterous and a lot more focused. So I'm always eager to learn something new here every day.
First off, I just want to say I love how you use the word dexterous. That's awesome. That's awesome. Wow.
Thank you, man. I also like your energetic energy because it gives me energy too, and I appreciate it.
Through Goodwill's path to employment and led by their job coaches, these two are focused on skill building while becoming successful at their positions.
I've had the privilege of coaching both Michael and Mike, and being able to see their unique personalities shine through has been the highlight of working with them. I call them the Michael Dream Team.
They have really helped me with all different aspects of my job. And they're not just job coaches, they have become friends.
Being able to see their growth throughout their journey has been astounding. They've really come out of their shells and developed into their own individuals and are very excited about the work that they do.
The big thing for me is really like a family. It's just, we're all here to help each other, we're all Goodwillians, and yeah, they're supportive, they help, and you are never afraid to ask questions.
Goodwill gives you meaning and purpose in that field, and they also have a lot of things to teach you, and everything here is done professionally, and I would totally recommend it to anyone who is struggling to find work.
Mike and Michael really enjoy working with people and understand that their hard work can lead to a bright future. Their camaraderie and success provide a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere to every one of Goodwill's customers, donors, or employees.
I want to make the people who phone here making their day just a little more special, just a little more happier.
It's all about putting a smile on their face so they can keep coming back to Goodwill.